large part of this year has been spent in tackling COVID, with all our efforts, energy and resources being invested into this. We do not know the course this pandemic will take in future, but we do know that taking care of our hearts right now is more important than ever.
Analysis of outcomes of those patients afflicted with COVID worldwide have shown a poor outcome universally for those patients with coexisting non-communicable diseases like cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and obesity.
Non-communicable diseases tends to affect people in the most productive years of their life, that is 30 to 50 years of age, resulting in huge social and economical impact.
Patients with cardiovascular diseases require sustained care and cannot afford to delay their consultations. A lot of patients are skipping their annual health check, regular follow-ups, and ignoring their illnesses over the past 6 months and becoming vulnerable for obvious life-threatening risks.
What is most distressing for us is that some of these patients present very late at a time when any sort of intervention, either medical, surgical, despite our best efforts, has a universally futile, poor outcome.
It's important not to ignore any symptoms, especially chest discomfort, giddiness, shortness of breath, palpitation, among others, and seek a cardiologist attention as soon as possible.
Majority of cardiac patients may think that this is not the correct point of time to visit a hospital and thereby may delay seeking medical care. We at Apollo Hospital take utmost priority of your safety. We follow rigorous screening protocol to separate the high-risk patients from the other patients.
Before admitting the patient for any major intervention, we make sure that both the patient and the attenders are screened for COVID-19. Once in the hospital, we make sure that strict international infection control protocol is followed to ensure the safety of the patient.
The pandemic has been going on for the last 6 months, and we understand that apart from the lungs, the cardiovascular system is one of the most important systems that is affected by COVID directly or indirectly.
ProHealth should be your promise to your family and nation this World Heart Day 2020. What do you mean by ProHealth? It means prevent, predict, preempt, and overcome heart disease. Prevent by regular exercise and eating healthy and living stress-free life. Predict by regular health checkups. Preempt by appropriate interventions to avoid premature damage to our heart. Overcome the disease by appropriate treatment to live productive, long and meaningful life.
The theme for this year's World Heart Day on September 29th is Use Heart to Beat Cardiovascular Diseases for society, for your loved ones and for you. So use your heart to make better choices, to live a heart-healthy life and be a role model for your loved ones and for yourself.